Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say if you want to join the Patreon, super dope. www.patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I don't have time to do any TA on Tesla, like real TA. I already did it, but this is essentially what I'm thinking is going to happen with Tesla. I got to get ready and I got to shower because I'm going to be going to Disneyland in like the next hour or two. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. This is forecast on Tesla for right now. I am thinking that it does drop to at least like 255 sometime by mid-July, like late July, somewhere around that time. But I do think that as of right now, Tesla's going down. I'll drop more TA and other stuff. I did see a bunch of you guys drop a lot of tickers, so we'll be working on those when I get back today from Disneyland. But not till like super late, bros. But just wanted to drop this video real quick before anything else. I do like Tesla. I did make a really nice, what is it called? Profit on the way up from this push on their delivery numbers, but I do think that it has, that it has actually, pushed up as much as it could, and I do think that as of right now, it's towards its percent down. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.